Okay divas, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys these bundles and this closure. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so before we jump right in, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Sogoodbb. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right in. So here is how it is packaged. So it is a 1-pack solution. This is by Janet Collection once again. This is their Brazilian bundle hair, and this one is the bundle straight 3 pieces, and it comes in the length 16, 18, 20, and it also comes with a temple lace closure, which is a 13x4 closure. I also have my bundles here in the color natural black. So here is what the pack pretty much looks like, and this hair is super affordable, so I did want to go ahead and mention that. Of course, I will have a link down in the description box below in case you guys want to do a little more research and see, like, you know, the price and everything. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys the temple lace frontal that they have sent me. So this is the temple lace frontal. So as you guys can see, it is a little bit smaller. So instead of the hair going all the way across, it kind of just like is in the front of the lace. So it is kind of like a frontal closure, if that makes any sense. That's what it looks like to me, and that's what I'm making sense of it. So this is what it looks like, and I'll turn it around for you guys as well. I am gonna go in and probably bleach the knots. Just because the hairline is already good, so I don't feel like I'm gonna have to pluck it, but I will bleach the knots for a more natural appeal. So now I have 3 bundles, but I'm just gonna take off the 16-inch so that we can see how the texture is feeling in the bundles and if it is actually the same as the frontal. Okay, so here's how the bundle looks. So it does feel nice and healthy. It does not look that thick, but I could be wrong because I always misjudge hair when it's on tracks. For some reason I'm always like, no, that's too thin, but when I put it on the wig, everything comes together. So this is what it looks like. So the hair is really soft. It does feel the same as the frontal, which is really, really good. And here are the wefts as well. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay divas, so here's how the unit looks right after I have constructed into a unit. Now I did go in and style it, of course, into like a half up, half down, and I did bleach the knots, but it didn't take that well, but the hairline looks really good. So here's one of my cons already. It is way too thin at the ends. I really don't like that, so that was a con for me. And while I make this unit work for me, I'm just gonna go in and tell you guys like how I feel about the hair. So I really do like the hair. It has that nice Brazilian soft texture. It's really, really nice, but I just didn't like the fact that it is very thin. But however, I feel like for the price, this is pretty good hair. Like, it really is. Like, it's really nice hair. I just feel like it needs to be thicker and it would be perfect, but that's not really, it's not so much of a big deal because some people like natural density hair. I just like a lot of hair on my unit, but overall I think that it is like really nice hair. Just my main con is that it's so thin at the ends, but overall, like, this is really good hair to work with. As far as shedding and tangling, I did experience a little bit of shedding and no tangling. This hair is really, really soft, and I was really surprised because usually with Brazilian hair you get a little bit of tangling, but I didn't get any at all, which was really, really good. And overall, I really do like this hair. I feel like it's very easy to work with. I love the idea of their closure that they have, the 13x4 temple, because it just makes everything so easy, like as far as like making the wig and making it work for you, because it's not like a full-on frontal, but it's like a frontal closure, which is like a dream for me because I love something like, I love the lace on the side, but I also really particularly favor closures. But yeah, overall this is really good hair. I feel like this 1-pack solution is really, really nice. If you want something quick, or if you are a beginner, it will be super easy for you to go ahead and construct this into a unit or go ahead and install this onto your hair. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. It is really nice hair, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. If you guys are interested in this hair, I will leave it down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous divas did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to communicate with you lovely divas and know if you guys have any additional questions. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous divas in my next video. Bye.